What is up, all you fish heads? Welcome back to another episode. My name is Brent Jordan, and today we've got something epic planned for you guys, really this week. Right now we're leaving Captiva Island right here, and we're headed down to the Florida Keys. We'll make a pit stop in Everglades National Park and do some camping there and some fishing there for a few days, and then onward to Islamorada. So it should be a pretty epic trip. We're hoping to catch a lot of fish. And we have beautiful, perfect weather for it. So wish us luck. We'll see you out there, guys. Check it out, guys. There's a sleeping turtle. Just sleeping on the surface, sunbathing. When we get a little closer, he'll take off. There he goes. Cool. Really cool. We just made it past Marco Island, and we're headed down to Everglades Flamingo area. We've seen a lot of cool stuff so far. We'll check back in when we get down there. We got about 80 miles to go. See you out there. We made it down here to Everglades, and we've got just a pod of dolphins kind of following the boat. Pretty cool. But we're headed out to a fishing spot, and we're gonna get there and start fishing. We couldn't help but come check out all the dolphins and everything. Anyways, we'll get back with you when we get to our spot. Another line. I'm in what you call pickle time. Oh. Oh. Bigger? Yeah, bigger trout. Saviors of the trip. When in doubt, catch a trout. Decent trout. On the voodoo shrimp. Try to do that again. Oh yeah, another trout. Another trout, a little smaller. Oh, 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 hold still. Nice little speckled sea trout. He gone. He gone. Well, we found a trout hole. I'm hoping where there's a trout, there's a redfish.
Kiss my dude all day.
I tried out a little deeper that time.
Bouncing on the bottom.
Yeah.
Found the oyster bar.
Nice.
I might try to go out here and smoke it so I don't lose my last fish.
Yeah, dude, you're good.
I've had a knot. I have,
They're, you know, they're not smacking it, but, you know, it's a fish on. Come here. Come here, slimy. Oh, that was a better fish. That was a better fish. Oh, was he running at me? Yeah. That was a better fish that I missed.
yeah, I'm stuck. Okay, so the fish are out here. Damn.
Oh. They like your doodly dop.
Is that a jack?
I'll take a nice big jack. Well, let's try over here a little bit.
What is I mean,
Snook? No, big, just a big aggressive trout, huh? Oh.
should I get the fly rod out? I'm gonna have to get the
Trout hole.
I'm gonna have to get the fly rod. Look at this one.
That's a nice trout.
Do you think he'd be fun on a fly? I wonder if I can even throw the fly.
Why wouldn't you be able to? I mean, they like your rig. They're hitting it quick.
Little guy followed it.
Oh, something tipping me. Oh, right there. Oh, a little trout.
Tried further like straight ahead.
Yeah, I'm just trying different. Oh.
I caught the bottom of it. Must be an oyster bar or something.
Yeah.
All right, I hate to do it. Just remember where we are.
Yeah, right in line with that down mangrove. Which, I mean, if there's oyster bar, there should be reds too.
Yeah.
Oop, sorry.
No way. Just trying to get a little bit of.
I mean, you're catching fish, so. Oh. He hit it hard. Whoa.
He's fat.
Yeah.
Ooh, is he bloody or poopy?
I think he was just pooping. All right, the voodoo shrimp. Glad I brought them. All right, guys, we just stopped, had a little lunch. We caught all those trout. Now we're gonna go look for something new. So, had a nice little lunch spot. Check out these big mangroves. Looks like a jungle back in there. But beautiful day. We found the trout. Now we just gotta find the snook. We've never fished back in here.
Everybody can find the trout.
Everybody can find the trout. When in doubt, catch the trout.
We gotta do better.
But like we said, we never fished back in here, so it's been fun trying to figure it out. But let's make it happen. We'll see you out there. All right, guys, we are at it. We are still at it. We've been fishing our butts off, and it's been tough fishing. We've managed to catch some trout. We've managed to catch some ladyfish. We have not managed to catch any snook or tarpon. I don't know if the cold fronts are messing us up or what, or if we're just not that good. Could be it. But anyways, tip your guides well. It's well worth it out here in the Everglades. They know what they're doing. We're gonna give it a shot, keep fishing for another probably 20-30 minutes, and then head back to camp. Let's hope we catch something big. All right, guys, we made it back to the Chickie. We caught some fish today. It wasn't, you know, a banner day as far as, you know, finding the tarp and everything, but we got our kitchen set up. We're getting ready to fry some fish that we caught, a little sea trout, and we got our hammock set up for a nice little seat. Camp set up over here. And we got the beautiful sunset. Hard to beat this, guys. Just out here in the middle of nowhere. There's the boat. But yeah, out here in the middle of nowhere, having a nice fish dinner. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Fish heads. Today we are out. We're headed out to do some trolling. We're looking for the mahi, wahoo, anything that'll bite the line, to be honest. We'd really like to catch a tuna, but we haven't been able to catch any of our target species this trip yet, but we're getting after it. The waves are pretty good today. Pretty good chop. Shelby's enjoying her boat ride. And we got our two rods out the back, trolling away. Hopefully, one of them will hit. We're just keeping an eye out for birds, keeping an eye out for grass, and other than that, we are just having fun. All right, guys. Hopefully, we'll see one of those poles take a dip here soon.
And this is on the bait that hasn't been good eaten.
Yep, it's big. It's a big bait.
That's hurting my gut bag, man.
Put it down lower in this crease of your leg and your, yeah.
Put it under your arm.
Hard left.
What we got? What we got?
Oh no, man.
Like circling kind of?
Yeah, we're trying to just keep the line kind of out.
So you don't have to keep telling me I'm just trying to.
You're doing great.
67 feet.
Oh, so much color.
So much color
Oh
on the
my
side.
gosh, so blue
Barracuda?
and gorgeous.
It's
It's
a
got lots
barracuda
of
or
stripy stuff.
or something. It's a longer one. I think.
Pretty.
Yeah. A toonie.
Oh.
It's a blackfin toonie.
Okay.
Get closer, baby.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Side hooks. You wanna?
Blackfin tuna! All right!
Do your
He's
high five
little.
again. Do your high five with the tuna between you. 1, 2, 3. No, tuna's
All
different.
right. Well, that little guy made that pole scream.
Oh, dude. That means if you catch a big one.
Yeah, there you go. Just let him do that. You're good. Let's get those poles back out there. Whew. I'm very excited.
Really?
Yes.
Little one.
That was a little one. But we got to bring home something to eat.
Dude, when are we gonna sushi him?
I guess we'll sushi him when Reese gets here. All right.
How'd that feel, Paul?
That was pretty good. He was screaming.
He screamed this.
For a little fish, man, he was pissing.
Yeah. All right. We in the right spot. We're doing the right thing.
I got gear on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go
It's
right-
a big fish.
That other one was a big fish.
This one's stripping.
It's no.
No, yours. honey.
Yeah.
Oh, there's nothing on it.
Man, I'm reeling until you tell me.
Yeah. You're good. Oh, what do we got?
Oh, I can see it. It's surfing.
Oh, that's me.
Oh, that's you.
What we got, baby?
Oh, seems big.
That is not a little one.
So now we might switch to that color on our next bait.
Yeah, that's 2 on that one.
That's 2 on that. Where's our
Kind of give us
gaffer?
a turn. Our
Left.
gaff's up high. Yeah, there we go.
I'm gonna get the guy.
Got it. Action is heating up.
Action is heating up. That's 2 on this bad boy.
Yeah, on Black Betty we'll put that.
Paul, can I give you that to put away or sit somewhere? Even in
Come up closer to you too.
That's got to be the same way it's fighting.
I would think. Turn it the other
All
way.
right, yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, they do that first initial bum rush there.
Yeah, now he's kind of slowed down. But I mean, he was peeling.
We caught him right in between those 2 marks where we had the
Yeah.
other.
Woo!
Uh-oh. You want me to go toward him?
You're all right.
Uh-oh, he might be bigger.
I think he's a bit bigger.
The other one didn't strip on.
No, not like that.
Do we see any color, ladies?
Yes, I see a little flicker.
Not quite.
Thought I saw a flicker.
Oh goodness.
Doesn't care for the bite.
He didn't want to come close.
He does not want to come any closer.
Take your time. Plenty more where he came from. Just circling.
What's your guess, Brent? What do you think?
Another blackfin.
I think it's a bigger blackfin, yeah.
1.5
It's doing those
size
head
the other
digs.
one.
I mean,
There's a little squirrel. Come on, big daddy.
oh, I'm sweating. There's the color. What is it, baby? Oh, I think it. Is it a
it's
shark?
the same.
Oh, there's
No,
something following it.
no, it's a big tuna. Big tuna. It's a large one.
It does look large. It's big.
It's a big blackie, isn't it?
It's a big black.
Or no, is
Oh.
that a bonita?
Is that a jumbo bonita?
I don't think we want to keep him. That's a giant
That's
bonita.
a jumbo bonita.
Wow.
Oh wow, he's a fatso.
He's big.
Wow. Woo!
I want a picture with him now, right?
Yeah.
Sure. Woo.
Oh yeah, gotta get the color on there.
That's
We might bring that one in. What do you think? You think
Yeah.
it's okay?
If Chrissy can videotape Shelby reeling them in.
I feel like it doesn't seem that big.
Might be a
Good.
toonie.
Maybe he's another blackfin. Boy, Brent scared me with his fish on command. I got nervous.
What you got, baby?
I don't know.
Oh, vote.
All right.
He doesn't. He or she does not appear to be fond of the boat.
I see it.
Never are.
We got color. It looks like maybe another tuna of some sort.
Underneath, yeah.
Real, baby. Yeah, nice tuna.
Black.
Is it a blackie? I think it's a blackfin. I think, I can't tell. Yes. Yes. Pull it this way, pull it this way. There you
Line's
go.
in the way.
You're okay. Keep it in gear, Paul. It's just straight.
I'm trying.
Got him.
Got him. Another blackfin tuna!
Nice.
All right.
Yum yum.
Look at that big one. Oh wow.
Yeah. Here, look at the camera, baby. All right. All right, Polly. We're hoping to double up. Yeah, another blackfin. I think you can straighten her out.
Alright.
See some color.
Yes, that is a tuna variety.
Give me a little port.
Ford action.
Looks like a nice blackfin. Yes.
Ooh, it's
Yeah.
a big one.
Come on.
Stay port side with the steering. Back it off.
Woohoo!
That's a nice blackfin. Get a picture with him, Paul.
Hold him up there, Jay.
Let me get out of your way.
Hey, hey.
That's a nice one. All right.
Pretty buddy.
Doubled up. The ladies are doubled up.
There you go.
Man, I hate this blackfin.
Oh, blackfin, hold on gaff. Where's the gaff?
Oh, my head
You're
maybe.
okay.
I'm just gonna hoist him in. Here, look.
Just hoist,
That's up high.
just hoist
Right
it.
there. Okay.
There you go. Keep doing you, baby. You're gonna no. Stay right where you're at.
Let me get that one.
Can't tell.
Goes up and over.
That'll do it. Yep.
Good idea. What a fandango we got going on here.
All right.
Let me get this out of the way.
You can open the bail. What you got, baby? Oh,
Little fight.
he's angry.
Yeah.
This is a nice one.
Oh, China down there.
You got color?
Hey.
Oh, giving you a workout, baby. We got color.
I got it. Let go.
Here you go, Chrissy. Will you hold that? I'm gonna help her hoist this one. The girls did it.
You want to take a couple?
I just got a video. The girls killed it. They beat us once again.
I don't know if that's true. Up there.
Kissy tuna.
You got it all.
Push your mat this way.
You got it in there, Paul, with the
Oh,
kiss.
Switch your hands around there, Shelby. You're covering up that feet.
Sorry.
All right. Nice. Awesome. All right, let's get them cleaned up and we'll head back to the dock. All right, guys, we caught some nice blackfin tuna today. And blackfin tuna in general, are just awesome fish. I was just talking about this with Shelby, but they're built for speed and power. And you can see this fin that comes out here. They have this nice little cool groove right here, and everything tucks in to make them as streamlined, as fast as possible. And then even these little fins here will turn direction to help, you know, turning, and they're just really a cool fish. Everything lays down to be completely streamlined. Awesome fish, really good eating. We'll get them cleaned up, and we're gonna make some nice sushi out of these guys. All right, so on these blackfin tuna, we're just gonna make a cut here. Then we're gonna turn our knives down and follow the spine and the backbone here, all the way down. This is a little bit bigger one than what we've done. Flip them out. And then I'm gonna just fillet it right off the skin here, and then ooh, this one's almost too big to do with my knife. But and if I get a little skin on there, I can always trim that off. That's just the rib cage, so I'm not too worried about that. Trim that off. Feed it to the fishies. We'll feed the big skin to the fishies. Gone. But then we'll take our fillet here. I'll just trim up the skin parts. And then we'll just, this is a little backbone piece. We'll just follow the bloodline all the way through to get our top loin and bottom loin. And you can see we still got a little bloodline here that we'll just kind of trim that off.
Look at this lighter color. Looks like sangria.
Oops. Still a little bit left, but I think I'll wait to just trim that up in the kitchen. That in there. Trim this bloodline off here. And we also have the rib cage here. So I'll just try to get. Oh. My hands are all oily from cleaning the other ones. Get as close as I can to that rib cage. Oh, slippery. Cut the rib cage off. Cut that little bit of bloodline off. Oops. And we good to go. Like I said, there's a little bit of bloodline left. We'll just trim that up in the kitchen. All right, that's how you do it. Look at that.
You got it. Look
Big
at that.
old bag.
How many
of
pounds do you
tuna.
think that is?
That's probably 10, 15 pounds.
That's so awesome.
Yeah,
High
10,
five.
15.
Oh, gross. Never mind.
All right, guys, we did it. We successfully self-guided a tuna fishing trip. This is our first time. This is my first time ever fishing down in the Keys, offshore, and Paul and I were able to successfully catch some tuna, which was really cool and a lot of fun. It was kind of one of the target species that we really wanted to get on this trip, and we made it happen. So we're super happy about it, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.